Hi everyone. Today we will explore warm, cool, and neutral colors. Before we do so, let's review our color wheel. When we create our color wheel, we use the three primary colors. All colors come from the three primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. When we mix two primary colors together, we make a new family. They are called the secondary colors. Yellow and red, when mixed together, make orange. Blue and yellow, when mixed together, make green. Blue and red, when mixed together, make violet. Green, orange, and violet are secondary colors. We also learn to create tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are made when you mix one primary color and one secondary color. So you know that tertiary colors usually have two names and it has the primary names comes first. So yellow mixed together with orange make yellow-orange. Red mixed together with orange make red-orange. Red mixed together with violet make violet-red. Blue mixed together with violet make blue-violet. Blue mixed together with green make blue-green. Yellow mixed together with green make yellow-green. Yellow-green or yellow-orange. This is wrong right here is yellow-orange because yellow-orange, the primary name comes first. Red-orange, red-violet, blue-violet, blue-green are tertiary colors. So today we will talk about warm and cool and neutral colors. Warm colors are colors with red, yellow, and orange in them, while cool colors are colors that have blue, green, and purple in them. Neutral colors are colors you can use to either brighten, lighten a color, or make it darker. So think back to our value lesson when we made tint, shade, and tone. Tint is when a color mixes with white. Shade is when a color mixes with black. And tone is when a color mixes with gray. Here is another picture that shows you the warm colors family and the cool colors family. Now they are not just three of them. You would know that there's red-orange would be in here, or yellow-orange would be in here, and so on. With over here would be blue-violet would be in here, or blue-green would be in here. But these three colors, blue, purple, and green, are mainly cool colors. And if you see red, yellow, and orange in a painting, then you would say warm color paintings. So let's take a look at some paintings. This one, what do you think is happening in this one? Seems like there's a lot of people on this hill. What warm colors do you see? I see red here, umbrellas. I see tan colors, so I say oranges colors. Look at the trees. I see some yellow in the wheels. When you think of red or orange, or maybe you think of fire, when you think of blue, maybe you think of a cool lake. So today we'll explore how colors remind us of certain moods or feelings. And then we'll do an activity where you can use those color families. I wouldn't want to be here with all these people because the colors make me feel very hot and warm. Let's take a look at this artwork. Now you can tell when you look at this, especially looking at this artwork, right after you look at the other one, your eyes just feel a lot more refreshed and cool. So this one, the title is Harbor at Night. So because it is at night, you can tell everything is a lot darker. Let's think back to our tints, tones, and shades for a moment. I see the color blue is being mixed with black here to make dark blue, shade of blue. And then I see tints of blue mixed with white. I see tones of blue, which is a dull grayish blue. I see some green, shades of greens here. So when you create your artwork today, I want you to create a scene, outdoor scene, and think about the colors, families that you want to use, either cool colors or warm colors. Why might you choose cool colors? Why might you choose warm colors? Let's look at this student's artwork right here. The students. Let's see what colors, what's the color families they pick. I see orange, lots of orange, and brown, a few purple here and there, but you notice when you put cool colors in an artwork that has a lot of warm colors, your eyes will go straight to those cool colors first because they are very different, they contrast. But the majority of this artwork, the students use a lot of warm colors. Seems like they're having a great time. Look, a lot of birds in the sky. It's a nice warm day, and there's a nice cool river at the bottom of the paper, and then looks like a little kid putting her toes in the water. I would too when it's really hot. So let's take a look at what I created for you. So I want you to keep in mind this is my drawing, and you do not have to draw what I drew. I want you to come up with your own drawing and pick your own color family. So I was thinking that recently we've been having a lot of rain, so I kind of just want a nice warm sunny day. I'm drawing a house across the street. I will draw their fence, their driveway. This right here is the street. Here's their garage. Now, you do not have to upload your artworks. If you can, that would be wonderful, but if you cannot, that's all right. Keep all of your artworks, your sketches. Make sure you put your name on them, and then bring them with you and turn them in when you get to school. So I am using a pen, and I'm drawing with a pen. but you should draw with a pencil just in case you need to erase. And you can draw as many times as you want, create as many artworks as you like. You can make one warm colors artwork and one cool colors artwork. So I'm going to skip this really quickly. Make this go a little faster. Now you can always pause or skip the video or rewind the video if you need help drawing something. I will not show my coloring process in this video, but I will show you what the final artwork will look like. And I used markers in my work, but you can use any coloring materials you have. And just because we do not have paint doesn't mean you cannot create tertiary colors. Remember, you can color a color on top of another one. So if you want to make red orange, now in class when we made red orange, we put red and orange paint together to mix them together. Well, when you want to use red orange, just color one layer of color first and then color the other one on top. When you draw people, practice drawing people using shapes. Simple basic geometric shapes like circle for the head, square or rectangles for the body, rectangles for the arms, for the legs, oval. Practice using geometric shapes to draw people and animals. Think about the weather as well. That would help you. Pick either warm or cool colors. You can add a few of the opposite in. So just because I am drawing and using warm colors in my work doesn't mean I can't have a few cool colors here and there, but just a few. Alright, I'm going to show you what my final product will be. Here is my completed work. I used a lot of orange, red, and yellow, and this is a warm color artwork, but you can tell I did add a little bit of green on the grass and some blue for the fountain here. I'm imagining that this is a sunset, so when you look at the sunset in the sky, you would have some kind of a warm glow with pinkish color and reddish and orange color. I would not suggest looking straight at the sun though, but the sun is gives off a hot and warm feeling. So I used warm colors for the sun as well. So now it's your turn.